And now MCQ number 4. This is the MCQ on residential status of an individual. Mr. Square, an Indian citizen, please underline Indian citizen, currently resides in Dubai. He came to India on a visit and his total stay in India during the financial year 22-23 was 135 days. Please underline 135 days. He is not liable to pay any tax in Dubai. Please underline this sentence also, not liable to pay tax in Dubai, assuming that he is not liable to pay tax in any other country also. That means this person who is citizen of India, he will be covered by category 3 exception. Category 3 exception, if you recollect residential status chapter governed by section 6 clause 1a newly introduced from AY 21-22, which states that if such person who is Indian citizen, whether he is person of Indian origin or not, his residential status will depend upon amount of his Indian income. If Indian income is more than 15 lakhs, then basic condition will be changed slightly. If his Indian income is up to 15 lakh, then the rules are different. What was the rule? If you recollect, section 6 clause 1a introduced with effect from AY 21-22, an individual who is a citizen of India, whether person of Indian origin or not, and he is not liable to tax in any country by reason of his residence or reason of his domicile, and his Indian income exceeds 15 lakh. What is the Indian income in the given question? We don't know. We will check. If his Indian income exceeds 15 lakh, then it will be deemed to be RNOR, deemed to be resident and not ordinarily resident. But if his Indian income is up to 15 lakh, then the first basic condition only will be applicable. First basic condition of 182 days or more in the current year. Second basic condition part 1, 60 days or more is replaced by 182 days or more. That means, and plus 365 days or more in the preceding 4 previous years. That means second basic condition not to be checked, because if first basic conditions is fulfilled 182 days, then the second ka first part will definitely be fulfilled. In simple language, the basic conditions for him will become this way. First is 182 days or more in the current year 22-23, or instead of 60 days we will be replacing it by 182 days plus 365 days or more in the last 4 previous years. Simply second basic condition not to be checked. First is fulfilled, he will be resident. Not fulfilled, he will be non-resident. In case Indian income is up to 15 lakh. Following is the details of his stay in India in the preceding previous years. Last 7 years details are given to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 100 out of them last 4 years. Let's first pick up the total of last 4 years. 100 plus 125 plus 106 plus 83. Total will be 414 days. You can take the total. No need to take the total of all the 7 years, because 3 more years ka total will be needed only for checking the additional condition to find out whether it is RNOR or ROR. What will be his residential status for previous year 22-23 if his total income other than income from foreign sources, that means Indian income, is 10 lakh. If Indian income is 10 lakh, that means it is less than 15 lakh. Less than 15 lakh, then which situation will be applicable? He will be governed by this situation up to 15 lakh. First basic condition fulfilled, he will be resident, otherwise he will be non-resident. And how many days he was present in India for? 135 days. That means he will be non-resident. Our answer is C, non-resident. Let's check what's Institute's answer. Institute's answer is given at the end. Institute's answer is also C, that is non-resident. With that, this MCQ comes to an end. See you in the next video.